on, guys, Littlebit Lover here. Today is the 4th of July. Go ahead, pan around, look at all these fireworks.
Look at that.
$1,000 of fireworks. Straight from the suppliers, so there's no markups on these. So this is really worth about $4,000.
So, yeah guys, look at all these fireworks.
Last firework, and then I have to work on the finale.
Yeah. So he's got.
So everything here is set up on one fuse.
Mm-hmm.
All I have to do is light one fuse, and the whole show just goes. It's great. It's gonna be insane.
That's.
And here's the big boys. These are the big boys. 60 grams. It's not easy.
So we got like all these fireworks here. If you guys know anything about fireworks, or if you don't really have to know anything about fireworks. You just know that this is a lot. It's gonna be pretty cool. Eli, I didn't know your fireworks were explosive.
They're not.
Okay, good. Good. I got scared for a second.
Getting closer to showtime. As you can see, it's getting darker outside. We're gonna start a little bit before dusk, obviously, because we're trying to get to other shows. But as you can see, we have our homemade firework going over there. It just catches on fire. That's the sole purpose.
And explain these right here if people don't know.
These are mortars. These are the biggest fireworks you can get on the market.
And here's the actual. So we have a bunch of those. But so here's the whole setup here. Yeah. And we see some people are already starting some fireworks over there, but it's gonna be a big show. What do you say, like 20 minutes or something?
Yeah.
All right, good. It's currently 8:25 right now.
Is it?
Yes. Wait, hold on. I think it's 8:24. Sorry. It's 8:24 right now. We're setting one of these fountains off every 5 minutes until 8:45 because it's when the actual show starts. So that's what we're doing right now, as you can see by the little sign right there. So.
Ready to go.
It's close enough. It's 8:24.
No, I want to wait.
You really want to wait until the exact
no,
time?
because then we have to wait 6 minutes instead for the next one.
That is true. Okay, so it's still 8:24.
You know how bad I want to light one of those big ones and just freak everybody out.
Dude, that'd be so funny.
Oh my god.
You have so many of them. You could do
Look at
that.
that kid doing Fortnite dances.
God. Dude, it's been 8:24 for like the past 5 minutes. I'm serious. Dang. It's 8:25. All right, do it.
Oh, come on. Just a little.
Oh shoot! It knocked over again. That was one of the ones that knocked over.
Well, no, it's supposed to. It's supposed to pop the beans out of the bottom.
Oh, okay.
That's why it's called the dancing butterfly.
So.
Oh no!
What happened? Oh shoot, it's on the ground.
Ah!
I'll let you guys know when it's 8:30 and we're gonna set off another fountain. I think I should just leave it up to you to do the fireworks. Alright, it's 8:29. I'm gonna use the super steady whenever, it's still 8:29. I'm gonna use the super steady whenever we do the fireworks, because I'll be like running and stuff.
Yeah. No, you
Alright,
running.
it's almost, Jesus Christ, it's still 8:29, bro. Alright. It's 8:30, go. What the heck is that? Shoot. I did not expect that. Did it get you? You think it's just gonna be nothing and then it screws you over. Alright, I'll let you guys know it's 8:35. We're just doing it every 5 minutes. So it's 8:35, so we're doing
Another one. This is just another one.
It's one of those frog ones, though. Oh shoot! What the heck? Wow! Wow! That was okay.
Not bad. Did you get it? Shoot.
Oh shoot! Oh my god! Wow, dude, I felt that in me. That's what she said.
Film from here with the fountains so that people can still see.
Alright guys, so it's almost 8:40. It's been 8:35 for like 20 minutes now. And we're...
Got the last little one. This one's gonna go in the air though, so back up a bit. Back up on this side.
Oh, it is?
Don't get in the way, okay?
Back up where?
Get in the way.
Over there? Okay. So we're still waiting on it to be 8:40 because we want to be... Okay, it's 8:40 now. Are these loud? Wait, get a thumbnail with you in the smoke. Oh wait, we'll do it with the bigger fireworks. It'll be better.
Here, ready to go.
All right, good. I think I'm gonna do another one, but though, when we do light off a firework. Wait, get down there and pose next to him, and I'll do a thumbnail. So.
So a couple days later, we call my mom, and I go over the top of the desk. And so we put on the show, and I'm like, oh, man, work, so she can see where we're at.